Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. This week, the ground beneath the U.S. diagnostics industry shifted dramatically. The FDA issued its final rule, officially ending its long-standing enforcement discretion for laboratory-developed tests, or LDTs. This means that for the first time, clinical labs that develop and perform their own in-house tests will be regulated as medical device manufacturers. This is arguably the most significant regulatory change in the U.S. IVD market in a generation. For decades, these specialized tests, often for rare diseases or niche patient populations, operated under a different set of rules known as CLIA, which focused on lab quality standards, but not on the analytical and clinical validity of the tests themselves. The FDA's justification for this change is patient safety. The agency has pointed to a growing number of cases where inaccurate or unvalidated LDTs have led to patient harm, including misdiagnoses and flawed treatment decisions. As diagnostic technology becomes exponentially more complex, involving everything from next-gen sequencing to AI algorithms, the FDA argues that a unified regulatory standard is essential. So what does this mean in practice? A university hospital lab that created a novel test for an Alzheimer's biomarker can no longer simply validate it internally. They will now need to navigate the complex world of FDA premarket submissions, quality system regulations, and post-market surveillance. This introduces a massive compliance burden, requiring new expertise in regulatory affairs, quality assurance, and clinical trial management, not to mention significant financial investment. While this presents a major challenge, it also creates opportunities. It levels the competitive playing field between traditional IVD manufacturers and diagnostic labs. This could spur a wave of innovation in regulatory strategy, as well as new partnerships and acquisitions. Smaller labs unable to meet the new requirements may seek out larger partners, while savvy medtech companies can offer the expertise and infrastructure needed to bring these vital tests to market under the new framework. This transition will be complex, but its goal is to ensure that all patients and doctors can trust the results of every diagnostic test, no matter where it was developed. For any lab or manufacturer now facing this new regulatory reality, creating a clear and strategic path forward is not just important, it's critical for survival and success. If you need assistance in developing a comprehensive strategy to navigate the FDA's new LDT landscape, our team at Pure Global is ready to help. You can contact us by email or by visiting our website.